Are you over 50 and wondering how to stay fit, strong, and flexible? Well, you're not alone. Many men your age struggle to maintain an effective exercise routine. Today, I'm going to share the only 5 exercises you need to do after age 50 to increase your muscle tone, improve your posture, and keep you feeling young again. First up is the Hindu push-up, the perfect exercise for building strength in your arms and chest while improving your spine flexibility. Imagine waking up with tightness in your shoulders and back from all those years of heavy lifting. Instead of relying on the same old bench press, the Hindu push-up can transform how you exercise. By engaging your entire body, this move allows you to maintain both strength and flexibility. Not only will you sculpt your chest and arms, but you'll also enhance your overall mobility. Let's break it down. Begin in a downward dog position, then lower your body forward and down, diving towards the floor. Continue the motion, arching your back and lifting your chest into an upward dog pose. Reverse the movement, returning to the downward dog position. This flowing exercise works multiple muscle groups and improves flexibility. Next, we have tabletop lifts, a fantastic exercise for tackling tight shoulders and improving your posture. Picture this. You're at your desk all day, and your shoulders have turned to stone. It can feel impossible to correct your posture. But the tabletop lift offers a powerful solution by stretching your front shoulders and building core strength. With just a few repetitions of this exercise, you'll not only feel more open in your shoulders, but also stronger in your core. Start seated with hands behind you, fingers pointing towards your feet. Press through hands and feet, lifting hips to form a tabletop position. You can then add small hip dips or hold the position. Maintain a straight line from shoulders to knees, engaging core and glutes. This exercise improves posture and shoulder flexibility. Third on our list are burpees. To perform a burpee, start by standing tall with feet shoulder-width apart. Then, bend your knees, drop your hands to the ground, and jump your feet back into a push-up position. Lower your chest to the ground for a push-up, optional, and then push back up. Jump your feet forward between your hands, and immediately jump straight up into the air. Land softly. Then repeat the sequence for your desired number of repetitions. For common mistakes, avoid excessive low back arching, peeling yourself off the ground, and folding forward too much. Now, let's talk about chair dips, the secret to building impressive arms after 50. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing toned arms. Many people focus only on curls, but most neglect the triceps, which are essential for arm size. Chair dips can help you get that powerful look while also improving your chest flexibility. By incorporating chair dips into your routine, you'll work more muscle groups efficiently. Whether you're keeping your knees bent or challenging yourself with straight legs, this exercise delivers results. Sit on a chair edge, grip the edge, and move hips forward. Lower your body straight down, keeping shoulders down and back. Push back up, focusing on triceps, maintaining shoulder position. Control movement, and keep elbows close to your body. This exercise strengthens triceps and improves chest flexibility while emphasizing safe shoulder alignment. Finally, we have bootstrappers. This exercise will transform your lower body strength and flexibility. Have you ever tried to reach down to tie your shoes and felt a tug in your hamstrings? Bootstrappers will alleviate that tightness, allowing you to move freely again. They help stretch and strengthen the hip area, which can become tight with age. By mastering this move, you'll increase your lower body strength and flexibility that assists with everyday activities. Start with feet wider than shoulder width, squat deeply, grip toes or feet, then lift hips, straightening legs. Lower back into the deep squat, maintaining grip. Repeat, focusing on controlled movement. This exercise enhances lower body strength and flexibility. These 5 exercises are simple yet powerful tools for men over 50 looking to boost their wellness. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, every journey to better health begins with those first steps. Don't forget to stay active, consume enough protein, and prioritize sleep for optimal recovery. Subscribe for more fitness tips tailored just for you. And remember, staying active is key to longevity. See you in the next video.